Okay, over here we need to solve the equations. Okay, whenever they say to solve the equation, that means that you have to take out the value of x or the y, take out the variable value. Okay, so these are all the examples. This is the number one, second, third, fourth. Okay, you can number them on your own. Alright, we have to work on this first example, the most simple one, 3.8 x and 7. Alright, so you can see that we have to take out the value of x, we have to move the 7 over there. Okay, the thing is, when there's division over here, the number is dividing by another variable, and you are going to apply this number on the other side. The operation will change. Okay, if there is division over here, on the other side, on this side, that will be the multiplication. Okay, like in this way, and by multiplying these terms, you will get the value of x. Okay, and suppose if there is multiplication over here, and you have to move this value over the right side, you just need to change the operation. The operation will again be the division. Okay, you can just need to use the inverse operation on both sides. Okay, let's take another example. The second one, yeah. That is x plus 9.7 equals 1.1. Again, you have to take out the value of x. You have to move this towards this right side. And what you need to do to change the operation to work on the inverse operation over on the right side. 1.11.1 minus 9.7. So you can see that we have changed the operation. That would be 1.4. Yeah. So let's work out another complex one. Let's take this one. 34 over x is equals to 5. Okay, now you have to take out the value of x. First, what can we do? Okay, we just need to replace these two terms. Okay, and you can see that when we replace that to the other side, that the operation will change to the multiplication. Okay, 34 over x equals 5, 34, 5, and that's the answer. Let's take another example. Yeah, this one. 9 times with x plus 4 equals 0. Okay, first of all, we have to expand all the terms. 9x plus 32. Yeah. Is it 32? Yeah. No, sorry, it's 36. Then we have to separate out the x value from this whole. So what we have to do? 9x, we have to move this 36 to the other side. And you can see that over here, the sign is of the plus sign. And on the right side, the operation will change and that will convert into negative 36. And in the next step, we have to, and you can see there is some multiplication over here. But on the left side, on the right side, that will be the division. And the answer will be negative 4. Yeah. So this is the method of inversing the whole operation on right and left side. Let's work out on some complex algebraic expressions. in these we still have to work out for the value of x. Okay, like 5 x plus 1, 4 x plus 2. Okay, 4 times with x plus 2. Again we have to expand them. 5x plus 5, 4x plus 8. Okay, now we have to arrange all of the like terms. 5x, 4x. You can see that we are changing the operations. That will be 4, that will be x. Now we have the value of x over here. Simply you can do this with the other examples as well. Just need to expand all the terms and then arrange the like terms to the right and left side. And the rest is all yours. It's the same example, type of example, but a bit more complex than the previous one. Let's work out on this one. 7, 5x, 3, negative 10 equals 2 times 3x minus 5, negative 3 times with 5 minus 7x. Okay, so now we have to expand it. 35x, then that would be 21, 10, 6x, 10, 15 plus 3, 7, 21x. Alright, so now we have to arrange all of the like terms, cancel out them. That would be 31, yeah, and 6x, yeah, we can arrange it, and it is already arranged. You can write it over here, and that would be 27x, negative 25, negative 35, 31, yeah. You have to arrange the like terms by moving down right and to the left side. And that would be 8x and then 6. And then we have to again change operations. And that would be the most simplified answer over here. Yeah, negative 3 over 4. So in this way we can just expand all the terms, work on the value of the variable, that is x, and you can solve all type of equations over here.